Hello student, this is class 9th science chapter 3rd mole concept. Mole concept is a most important concept of this chapter. Mole concept is a group of 6.022 multiply 10 की power 23 particles, atoms, molecule or ion of a substance is called a mole of that substance. A mole of atoms is equal to 6.022 multiply 10 की power 23 atoms. 1 mole of molecule is equal to 6.022 multiply 10 की power 23 molecules. This is also called Avogadro number. The next topic is important formulae. The first is number of moles. Number of moles is equal to given mass upon molar mass. I mean small m upon a capital M. Second is number of moles n. N is equal to given number of particles upon Avogadro number. Numericals. The most important formula of this is third is number of molecules is number of molecules is equal to n multiply Avogadro's number, which is represented by Na, and number of moles n is equal to number of moles. This formula is also represented by is equal to given mass of atom. This is given mass and molar mass of molecules या compounds. Multiply Avogadro number, which is 6.022 10 की power which is as very important formula. This is very important formula. The first numerical is calculate number of moles in 4.6 gram of sodium. The first numerical is first question. In this 4.6 gram of sodium, I mean given mass of sodium, given mass of sodium Na is equal to 4.6 gram. Molar mass of sodium is equal to sodium, its atomic number 11 and mass number is equal to 23, so it is represented by 23 gram. So in this case, given mass and molar mass is as so. The formula is used is equal to number of moles of sodium is equal to given mass of sodium and molar mass of sodium, which is 4.6 upon molar mass of sodium is 23 points. So this is so 0.2 moles of sodium atoms. The solution of the first question is yes. The second question is calculate number of atoms in 46 gram of sodium. The second question is calculate number of atoms. Second question, number of atoms या number of molecules. In this case sodium is used, so number of atoms. Number of atoms is equal to number of moles n multiply. So in this case number of moles is not given, so the formula is used, which is the second formula is used. Molar mass and given mass multiply Avogadro number. So in this case the given mass is 46 and molar mass of sodium is equal to 23 and Avogadro number 6.022 multiply 10 की power 23. After the solution of this value, the answer is 12.4044 multiply 10 की power 23 sodium atoms. This is your answer. The next question is question number 3. The next question is the question third is calculate mass of 0.2 moles of H2O. H2O means water. H2O means water. In this case mass, calculate mass of 0.2 moles. In this case number of moles is given. The solution of this question, solution third. Molecular mass of H2O, I mean molar mass of H2O. H2O oxygen's atomic mass is equal to 16 and hydrogen's atomic mass 1 and 2 atom of hydrogen is used, so 18 gram, 18 unit या grams, 18 gram. In this case given, in this case the mass of H2O is asked, so number of moles which is given is equal to given mass upon molar mass of H2O या molecular mass. Number of moles is equal to 0.2 and the given mass which is calculated molar mass upon 18. Molar mass is equal to 18. So given mass of H2O is equal to 0.2 multiply 18 is equal to 3.6 gram, which is your answer. The next question fourth is calculate number of CO2 molecules CO2 molecules in 0.88 gram of CO2. Also calculate number of oxygen atom. Very interesting question. The solution of the 4 question is in this question given mass is 0.88 gram. In this case, number of molecule which is calculated, number of molecules या atoms is equal to given mass upon molar mass of CO2 multiply Avogadro number. Number of CO2 molecules is equal to the given mass is 0.88 gram and the molar mass of CO2 molar mass C is equal to 12 and oxygen 16 multiplied 2 is equal to 44 gram. So 44 and the Avogadro number is 0.66 गुणा multiply 10 की power 23. After the calculation we got this is 2 and 6.022 10 की power 23. This is also written as 2 multiply, in this case 0.12, so minus 2 power 23. In this case this power is plus and negative, so minus is equal to, so after the solution 12.044 10 की power 21 molecules of CO2. This is your answer. The last question is number of oxygen atom. In this question, number of oxygen atoms in CO2. In one CO2, two atoms of oxygen is present. 2 atoms of oxygen. So the number of CO2 is equal to 12.044 molecules. In one CO2 molecules, 2 atoms of oxygens are present, so this value is multiplied by 2. So the number of oxygen atoms is equal to 24.088 atoms of oxygens. This is your answer. The last question is